So the mill and overlay project is a street maintenance project that we're doing here in Cottage Grove. So this is happening in the Timber Ridge neighborhood, kind of south of 70th Street, west of Hardwood Avenue, and north of Camel's Hump Park. So the main reason is really a pavement preservation technique. Throughout the years, we've done seal coating around town, and we still implement that on certain streets in certain areas of the city. But looking at how our roadways are holding up, we really feel like getting into a mill and overlay program where we rotate around the city, probably on like 15 to 20 year cycle, to do more mill and overlays to put that new asphalt down is something we're trying. This is our first project to really dedicate to mill and overlay. That's really the purpose, is to extend the life of that roadway. So the steps of this project are, first we start with some of those minor utility work with the catch basins. We also work on the curb and gutter and the sidewalk. We did repair and replacement of those ped ramps that connect the sidewalk to the street. After that, we'll be starting the milling project, where we actually take out that 1.5 inches of old asphalt. And then finally we bring in that new 1.5 inches of new asphalt that we replace, and that's pretty much it. Each part of the project moves pretty quickly when we do the curb work, do the sidewalk work, but then we have to let that concrete cure and let it be ready to have other work happen. So the actual length of it is about 4 to 6 weeks. The milling itself will happen pretty quickly over a course of a few days, and the paving itself will be pretty quick as well. Yeah, I guess the big thing is just being aware of what's happened in the neighborhood. We do a lot of communication through door hangers and different notices to keep people up to speed on what's happening when you're in the area of the work.